Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. About 4 years ago, Juliet did a video on caravan crockery. And shall we say, since then, things have changed, and I'll explain more in a minute. So as I was saying, about 4 years ago Juliet did a video on the caravan crockery, and she'd purchased, when we bought the van new, some IKEA crockery. It's like Corelli but very cheap, and to be fair, it's been great. We've had it 4 years, but it's now showing signs of wear, and we were looking for a replacement. Well, anyway, the other day we were in one of our caravan dealers, and I was wandering around looking at like important stuff, and all of a sudden I heard,
Phil?
You know what that means, don't you? Come over here, I've found something. So sure enough, I went over, and she was looking at some crockery, and she said to me, she said, well, there's the Corelli and it's £70, and there's this and it's half the price. I said, yeah, but the IKEA stuff was only 50p a piece, and we've had that 4 years. She said, yeah, but if you think about it, if you spent the time to go to our IKEA, which is quite a considerable distance away, what you would spend in fuel and other things, because you would buy other things, it'd work out cheaper to buy this. Can you see where our logic's going here with this? So I thought, right, okay then, so I agreed. So what I'm going to do now is show you what Juliet's bought, and see if it matches up to the IKEA stuff for a start, but more importantly, is it a better substitute for £70 odd from the Corelli stuff? So let's take a look. So this is what Juliet purchased from our local dealers. It was 35 quid. Now, I don't normally give you prices when we're talking about stuff like this because they vary, but we've paid 35 quid at our dealer for it. You might be able to get it a little bit cheaper, or it might be a bit more expensive where you are, but nonetheless that's what we paid for it, and it's 16 pieces. Now what Juliet liked about it was the fact that the cups matched as well, because we had different cups. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, but anyway, so this is the pattern that's on it, so I'm going to just show you a few of them, and let's see what you think. So this is the one that she chose. I don't think there's many patterns to choose from. In fact, I think this is the only pattern. However, it does cover quite a few different caravan styles and tastes. Now, it's got 4 main plates, it's got 4 side plates, 4 bowls and 4 cups as well, which is great. It's actually made of like a tempered glass, so it's very similar to the Corelli stuff and the IKEA stuff, to be fair. So on the back of the plates, it shows you a few little symbols, and it says underneath, chip and break resilient. Well, we'll have to see when Alfie gets around. But you can also put it in the dishwasher, and also you can put it in the oven as well. So here is the dinner service in situ. We've got the plates and the side plates. We couldn't fit the bowls in here because they were too deep, so they're on the opposite side cupboard. These fit nice and snug, the cups, and they're not going to rattle around and make too much noise or cause any damage. Well everyone, that was the dinner service that Juliet bought for the caravan. We'll see how it holds up. This is the IKEA ones, which is going home now. We've had not a problem with these. Like I say, the only reason why we're replacing them is now they're starting to get a little bit scratched and looking a bit grubby. But other than that, they've served us well. None of them have chipped and none of them have actually broken. And we still have the full set, and at 50p a chuck they're probably a good option. But based on what Juliet said about going to IKEA, etc., this was at the local dealers for 35 quid. So we're going to see how we get on with it. We're going to take it for the season, and we'll have a look at what it's like, and we'll report back to you later on. But for the meantime, that's our new dinner service. Thanks very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.